Many dream of making music, but instruments and lessons can be expensive. Now AI is here to help. You don't need special skills or money, just imagine making your own songs at home easily. AI can create melodies, suggest chords and add drum beats for you. The best part, it's totally free. Anyone can start making music now. Your music journey starts today. Let's talk about some free tools. Suno AI is a really great one. You give it a simple text prompt like chill Lofi study background beat. Suno then creates music from this. It can even make vocals for you. It's designed to be very simple to use. A good place for anyone to start. BandLab is another amazing top choice. It is a completely free online studio. This is commonly called a DAW. You can record, edit and mix. BandLab also has its own AI features. It has many free musical loops and it offers many free sounds too, very useful for all aspiring beginners. Soundverse AI is another good option. It helps you generate ideas very fast. There are also AI drum machines. These create custom drum patterns. Just tell them Lofi hip-hop style. They will quickly make a beat. Many excellent free options do exist. You should explore them all carefully. These tools are generally quite easy. Don't worry about difficult technology. They are specifically made for beginners. Most have very simple user interfaces. Drag and drop functionality is common. Helpful tutorials can guide you through. The main aim is easy music creation. AI is your new friendly, helpful helper. First, let's try to make a melody. You can use Suno AI or BandLab. Type in a very simple prompt. For example, sleepy Lofi piano chords, or perhaps calm atmospheric guitar. The AI will give you some ideas. Listen to them and choose your favorite. This is your new song's central core. Next, we definitely need Lofi drums. A slow, very chill beat is key. Use an AI drum pattern generator, or you can find loops in BandLab. Search for something like Lofi drum loop. Keep the resulting pattern quite simple. Repetitive is usually good for Lofi. It helps create a steady, relaxing mood. Now you should add a bass line. AI can certainly help create one, or you can use a simple bass loop. The bass element should be subtle. It supports all the other sounds. For true Lofi vibes, add cool effects like vinyl crackle or soft rain sounds. Many free samples are available online. These added sounds provide character. Lofi music really needs that special warmth. Vinyl crackle is a true classic effect. Tape hiss also works extremely well. Some AI tools might add these, or you can easily add samples yourself. These small details make it sound Lofi. Your unique beat is now taking shape. Now assemble your track using a free DAW like BandLab. Import your AI-made musical parts. Each sound gets its own track, melody, drums, bass and effects. Keep the arrangement simple and relaxed. Lofi's charm is in its vibe and imperfections. Focus on the overall feeling. Most importantly, have fun making music. Go start your first beat today.